Hey,
Hey, hey.
we are here going to Madame's house, and we are here to witness the different. Just wait for a while. I'm going to switch my phone for you to be able to see the different views. Okay.
Ano man naman, wala klaro.
Hello.
Oh, may una na ko yan dati. Ganyan ito front.
Hey.
Yeah, bye.
So, are we going to Madame's house? Where are we going to eat there? For us to be able to fill our stomach and also to fill our yeah.
Ikaw na lang ako kapot, oh. Ikaw na may istorya.
Wow. Nice.
Hindi na yun, dalawa para lapad.
Yeah. Anong lapat? Wow. Yeah. Showbiz ka na. Super population. Murag layo pa man nato na sa tahakon, oy. Doon nagkuan ta ba? Ato ta Jensen nga nag-agi lang ta sa kuan. Crossroad. Kulang eh. Not taken. There. This is the struggle that we're going to be faced. The task that we are going to face. Huh? Okay? The strangers. So, likod na John. There, wala na. Likod na among mga tour guide. So, since we don't have any tour guide, so we should go past in this road until we're going to see the national highway. Yeah. Maybe. We're just confident that we know that this road is going to Madame Sapante's house. But then again, okay, let's proceed.
I told you I am so
uh,
Ah!
nice! Yate! Woo! Crossroads! Woo! Gatos ka dun! Gatos ka dun! No! No! Ah! Oh, bata ka drive! Oh. Ay! Oh! Ikaw walang virgin. Ah! Right. Kung pa ito nilandan dun ba? Doon lang. Mga budak ako. So, our driver proclaimed that Madame Sapente's house is too far from the house of the Anstili Sarsa. So, yeah, there's a... But I think we're going to... Ambot. Or the cruising langit there. Yeah. Right? I'm so speechless.